Hi everybody, so welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Grace and I am back for another intermittent fasting meal plan, what I eat in a day video. So in this video, you're gonna see quite a lot of variety of mushrooms in both first meal and second meal. All right, I personally love mushrooms because they are so highly nutritious, and at the same time they help to fill me up for a lot longer with very little calories. All right, that's why I love them. For those of you who love mushrooms, you're gonna love this video. But for those of you who are not so keen, that's all right, because I have another video which I am going to post very close together. So for the first meal, these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using: some mushrooms, some onions, some cherry tomatoes, and some peppers, and also some ginger. Frozen ginger, by the way, right there. You can use the hot sauce we usually use, guys. And I have here some seeded flatbread. We are going to do a wrap. Yeah, another one. And I even have more coming your way, but I promise you all, it is with different ingredients, so you're gonna love it. So go ahead and wash all your ingredients, and then we're going to slice them to the sizes that we want. And to my hot pan, I add a little bit of coconut oil, and we are going to stir fry our onion first. And yeah, so stir fry your onions, and then you're gonna add your ginger, or it could be your hot sauce there. And then you're gonna add your mushrooms. So with your mushrooms, go ahead and stir fry and add a little bit of salt to it. We want the mushroom to absorb the salt, so add some salt, and then we're gonna go ahead and stir fry for a little bit, and go ahead and add your peppers to that. So add all your peppers, and then what we're gonna do is that we're going to cover it just for a minute or so, just to allow the mushroom to release that a little bit of that water, and then add your tomatoes right at the end. We are about to take this off now. All right, so add your tomatoes right at the end, and that's it. It's so simple, very nutritious, and very tasty. So sometimes I actually do eat this without doing the wrap, all right? So I eat it pretty much just like it is, you know, and like that. And I do sometimes add avocado with it as well. All I'm having for my first meal. I've already taken my moringa seeds, so let's dig right in. And I do eat the I don't know what you call this, anyway. I do eat everything because I just see it like fiber. So I drink the juice, and then I peel all this stuff and eat it. So for my second and last meal, this is all the ingredients you're gonna need. I have here some hot sauce, which I blended, some ginger, some onions, and some scotch bonnet pepper. I'm also going to use an onion. And I'm also going to be using some stock cube. This is vegetable stock cube, all right? You can use your own stock if you have it. And I'm using a whole bunch of mushrooms. And I have here some tomatoes, and I have some spinach. You can use any other vegetable that you have. And here are my okra. Don't worry, those of you who say, you know, you don't like the slimy okra, this video is especially for you, all right? So I'm going to show you how to make this soup or slash stew without the slime. And I have here some palm oil as well. And this is my ginger. So what you're gonna do now is pretty much just wash all your vegetables and pretty much just prepare them. And I'm also going to chop them to the sizes that I want. You can chop them to the sizes that you want. It doesn't really matter. One thing as well is that when you're chopping the okra, you could actually chop the okra like really small or big if you want. The bigger you chop them, I think the less slimy it is as well. So you can chop them into like round sizes or even drop it in as a whole. All right. And I'm going to chop this size right here. Even with, I just want to show you guys that even with this size, you can still cook this without the slime. All right. So I will show you in a minute. So go ahead and chop everything, and then we're gonna start to cook. So I'm adding about 60 ml of red palm oil to my pan. You're gonna let that heat up, and then you're gonna add your chopped onions. So let this fry for about a minute or two, and then we're gonna go ahead and add all our spices. All right, so whichever spices you're adding, right now I'm adding some ginger. You can add your hot sauce at this point. If you're using powder pepper, you're gonna add that. All right, and then you can also add your stock cube and let it cook for about 2 minutes or so, and then we're gonna add our tomatoes. All right, so you're gonna fry this now for about at least 5 minutes. All right, so I cooked mine for about 10 minutes on a very low heat, like a medium heat, I would say. And then once you've cooked, it's gonna release all the juices. Some of the water is gonna evaporate, and then you're gonna go ahead and add your mushrooms. All right, so let the mushrooms kind of fry a little bit in that tomato sauce. It's gonna release some water juices as well, and go ahead and add some salt to this. Let it cook, and then we're going to go ahead and add our water. That's a boiled water I added there. Add some water to it, and we're going to now gradually add our vegetables. So I go in with my okra first, and then I let it cook for about a minute. And then I go ahead and I add my spinach. My spinach takes a very quick time to cook, guys. So if you're using a vegetable that takes a little bit longer to cook, then you're gonna add it with the okra at the same time. All right, so that's it, guys. We're all done. So all you're gonna do now is just cover it up and let it cook for about 2 minutes, and then you're gonna switch it off. So you can eat this mushroom okra stew slash soup by itself, as it is, or you can eat it with so many other things like pounded yam, which is what I'm making right now. It's just yam flour, okay, dehydrated yam flour. That's all it is. And also you can eat this with rice, bangkung, so many things. So here we go. I told you guys I'm gonna cook this without the slime. There you go. Can you see that? Yep. There's no slime in there. Anyway, so those of you who don't like the slime, now you can go ahead and enjoy your okra soup or slash stew without the slime. Even though that is my favorite part about the okra, but that's because I've been eating okra since I was born. So anyway, so I hope you enjoy, and I want to show you guys something. All right, so this is what I do when I'm having panajam or any other food that you do swallow. So I live in London, but some of you guys probably live in places where you can have fresh moringa leaves, you can have fresh spirulina. But for where I live, I have more access to powder form of all the superfoods like spirulina powder, moringa powder. Moringa, I'm very used to it. I can drink moringa tea with no problem or whatever. I actually love it. But spirulina, I try. So this is what I tend to always do. Okay, I make a hole, like a little hole, not all the way through in my panajam, and then I put a little bit of spirulina powder there, and then I cover it up, and then I just dip it in my soup and swallow it as normal. It is a lot cheaper to buy powder forms of superfoods than to buy the capsules. It's so much cheaper. So sometimes when I'm eating, I do have the capsules, guys. I do buy spirulina capsules and also moringa capsule, but I tend to do this as well, you know, when I'm having any food that I swallow. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it useful. If you did though, don't forget to share it with all your loved ones, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a like, and also you can leave your comments and thoughts down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you very much. Bye.